Guys, so welcome to another video of the Amuse S2000. Today we're hopefully going to have it like 90% done assembled. I still have bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, hardtop to paint. I'm ready to paint it black. Mighty Car Mods reference. Paint it black. Sorry. I'm painting the side skirts, the side diffusers, the front splitter, the front bumper, the side fins, the weird canards. They're not really canards, but canards. And the whole bottom diffuser section of the rear bumper. So I actually just finished the clear, well not just now, it was like an hour and a half ago. So it's dry to the touch. Today's a pretty warm day, 85 degrees. Sun is super strong here in Arizona, so I just put it out in the sun. It's already like dry to the touch. Like if you touch it, obviously not hard, it's dry, but you know, if you poke it, I'm sure it'll leave a mark. But I put it out in the sun, kind of by accident, but also low-key. I'm just gonna say it's on purpose, just to sound better. I reused the cup I used for the silver to mix, but I cleaned it out with acetone and everything, and there was still a tiny bit of silver, and I was just like, okay, screw it, that might look cool, because it's a black base, it's not a metallic black, and the silvers are always metallic. So if you actually look really closely, you can see, I have to get it in the sun, you can see that there's kind of a, I think these have it the best. You can actually see that there's little silver flakes in the black paint, which is kind of cool because I guess it'll match the car. I mean, that's not something anyone's really ever even going to notice. You guys will know because I just told you, but other than that, I don't think anyone would ever know. But I'm going to go take the R8 quickly to Walmart to get some certain sandpaper I need to finish off the bumper and to get primer for the front and rear bumper. Alright guys, a little time has passed. I've been working, you know, sanded, prepped the hardtop, primered both the front and rear bumper, sanded them. They're both wet sanded at 600. Not sure if I mentioned this, but I sprayed the base coat on the rear bumper first for the diffuser and for the insides, and then I taped off the inside. And this is going to be silver, then everything inside is still black. And then after I spray the silver, I can take off the tape and then spray clear over the whole thing. And then that's just getting silver, then this is just getting black. So let's get this done. I ran into some base coat issues with the black. Probably saw it on the camera. I kept like spraying my gun at the wall. I don't know. The black has been really awful through the gun. Caused the gun to jam up like crazy, and it was horrible. And then I got runs in horrible spots, and I had to sand it down, wait for it to dry, sand it down. But it's done now. 6 a.m. now. Sorry, my battery died in the last clip. I have work at 9 a.m. I got up early to hopefully finish the car. What I was showing you guys in the last clip was I believe it was the bumper, but I think the bumper came out really fantastic. I did the two-part thing, as you can see. Originally, I was just going to spray it all silver and just leave the diffuser, like bottom section black. But as you can see on the inlays, like where it dips down, that's all black, and it makes a really nice contrast. Obviously, this is the top of the bumper, that's the bottom. I know it's mounted weird on the stand. This is the front bumper. Last night when I was cleaning up everything outside, I actually I didn't really bolt them up, little side fins in. The hardtop, let me show you guys. So what I've actually been doing, and I did this on some of the other black parts as I mentioned, I mixed some silver in. But in this case, I mixed a lot more silver in because it's the hardtop, so it's going to be in the sun more. And when you see the hardtop next to the silver, you actually, hopefully you're going to notice that in the sun, it actually has silver, like flakes. Oh, it's not really flakes, it's just silver metallics in it. I'm going to go get a hoodie, and then I'm going to open this garage. It's still like pitch black out because Arizona doesn't have daylight savings, so it's dark at like 6 p.m. or some weird shit. And it's 6 a.m. and the sun hasn't risen, so I'm going to try to get what I can done for you guys, hopefully. Hey guys, as you can see behind me, the car's done for like the most part. I'm so sorry, I really was gonna get this video out 2 days earlier, but I had SD card failure. That last clip of me assembling it early in the morning, after that I tried to record a clip of it and it would just kept stop recording after 10 seconds saying SD card failure. So today, it's been like a day or two since then, I went out and actually got another micro SD. And yeah, this is the finished result for the most part. I was going to make a rear window today, and I was up today at like, I don't know, like 7 a.m. It's a Saturday, and I accidentally got acrylic instead of polycarbonate. If you guys don't know the difference between acrylic and polycarbonate, everyone calls this plexiglass. Plexiglass is basically the same thing. It's both of those things. So acrylic shatters. Acrylic is known for shattering, but the thing is you can buff acrylic if you get a scratch. You can't buff polycarbonate. But polycarbonate, you can take a thing and cut it as you want. If you try to do that to this, it just shatters into a bunch of pieces. And yeah, that's just my fault. Polycarbonate sheet at Home Depot is like $80. The rear window to order it pre-cut is $80, so I'd rather just do that and get it in a few days. I changed an AC line that was leaking earlier, and I fixed the splitter, and I added extra mounts to the intercooler so the splitter's hugged up and everything. And tonight I'm actually taking it to a car meet. That will probably be a separate video because I wanted to just make this video about the final assembly and just, you know, how it looks and stuff. I drove it last night. Here's a few clips of some pulls and two-step. It's probably bad quality. Basically, I just got some gas with it, was driving it around. It's really, really gorgeous. I mean, when I first saw it together, it was fantastic because I haven't seen it, you know, together like this one color ever. And it makes sense. It makes sense why I chose the Amuse body. It makes sense why I chose these wheels. Of course, these wheels would look better if they were painted black or bronze or white, but I'm just not doing that. Yeah, I mean, it looks gorgeous. It's the cool thing about this era of Japanese cars, the whole 90s to mid 2000s, is the whole, like, you look at this car and you could picture this car being in Japan and then using it to, like, toge in the mountains. Like, it's a very similar setup with the JDM one-piece wheels, the aggressive body, the wing, the turbo. It's very nice, and I really do like it. The paint turned out all right for the most part. I just have to paint that pillar that goes around the windshield. Have to tape that off and just spray that. That's not a big deal. But yeah, I think it looks great. The rear end is very gorgeous as well. As you could see, I'm really glad I decided to contrast the silver and the black. As you guys remember, I taped this off and I sprayed the black inside and then sprayed the silver and then cleared it all together. It just came out really, really good, and the wing is on and it looks great. But anyways, I wanted to end the video here. I just really wanted to show you guys the thing because I went to go edit it and I'm like, wow, none of those clips recorded. So thanks so much for watching. This basically concludes the S2000 build. Sadly, as some of you, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I kind of have to sell this car, realistically speaking. Do I want to? Not really. It's genuinely pretty. Like, having both of these cars is awesome. The R8 is one type of car, and the S2000 is a totally different type of car. You know, but we are buying a house. We are closing on a house. And we need to give a down payment, so it's a lot easier to sell the S2000 than the R8 anyway, and the R8 is in no shape to sell anyway. That's kind of why I painted it. I wanted to give you guys content, and I really just for once wanted to, so to say, finish a build, and hopefully you guys appreciate that. Like, I just wanted to finish the build and give you guys something to end with. And I will probably make another edit of a whole time lapse of the build from when I got this car. Though it wasn't really too much of a crazy build or anything, but I think it came out great. You know, there really isn't it. There's only like one other Amuse S2000 in Arizona, and it's white. It's a lot better than this one. It's really gorgeous, and it has like a full built engine and everything. But sadly, I have to get rid of it. I'm gonna buy some cheap daily also, to not daily the R8 or whatever, but. Just want to let you guys know and be honest and upfront, because I did say I was going to keep it, and realistically, this is kind of what I meant. I wanted to keep it to finish it. So, you know, you guys, I'm not giving up on another build like that. Of course, there's more stuff to do to it. I could put a cage in it. I could do stuff with the turbo and the motor. I could get coils. I could do other suspension bits. Of course, there's always more to do to a car. I don't think any car is ever finished, because every car could always have more. But in this sense, I think it's finished. It's already been up for sale for the past 2 days. I'm asking $16,500. Hopefully it sells within the 2 weeks, because that's when I need it. We have a for sale sign that we're taking to the car meet tonight also to put in the window, but like I said, that will be a separate video, the reactions from the car meet and such. But thanks so much for being on this journey of the S2000. Of course, I'll do a few more videos of the S2000. I'll go drive the canyons and such. I just don't want to get too risky with it, because it's obviously not fully insured. It's just liability insurance. So, like, if I crash it, I don't get any money. The R8, if it gets stolen, if it gets crashed, I get the full money back, and, you know, I'm not losing money. But, I don't want to drive canyons crazy fast in that car and have something happen right before I sell it, of course, or break the body kit and stuff, you know, after all that work. But, like I said, thanks so much for being part of the journey. And the next video is definitely going to be the car meet video. Then after that, it'll probably be, I don't know, something else. Let me know if you guys want to see videos of the house when I get it, because we are going to be building a huge shop that can fit like 10 to 15 cars and a lift and a paint booth in the back, professionally, of course. So just let me know if you guys wanted to see videos in progress, videos of the house. I don't know if that's even interesting to you guys. And along with that, Need for Speed Heat did come out yesterday, and no, I have not gotten it yet. I've been so busy, literally, like any day I'm off, I've been working on the S2000, and with the whole house buying thing going on, I'm just so busy, and I am going to buy it. I might just wait till Black Friday. I'm not getting the jump on, obviously other YouTubers have already done Let's Plays before the game even came out, but, still, I promised you guys I would do videos and stuff of Need for Speed Heat, and I definitely will, live streams and all. Just right now in my life, things are just busy. It's working. I'm always working, and then I'm always working on this car to prepare it to sell, basically speaking. So, have a great day, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.